In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet part 6, this small design. The yarn amount needed for this part I will include right here on the screen. So this is the amount of yarn needed to work this part once. And if you are working the same blanket like I do, we will work this section twice. So you will need twice amount the yarn. I will be using similar yarn colors like I used for my blanket. So my background color A will be this mustard color and my pattern color B will be this blue one. Row 1 color A, slip knot, standing center single crochet, and for this row we will work back loop single crochet all across. In the last stitch, center single crochet. Row 2 color B, slip knot, standing center single crochet, and for this row again we will be working all back loop single crochet. And on every row we have the same number of stitches. So if you are working the same blanket as mine is 195 stitches. On the last stitch, center single crochet. Row 3 color A, slip knot, standing center single crochet. The pattern repeat will start with 1 front loop double crochet, 3 back loop single crochet. So this is our pattern repeat, only 4 stitches. So work these stitches again and again till you reach the end of this row. After you completed all repeats, the last stitch before the edge stitch will be 1 front loop double crochet, and the edge stitch, as always, enter single crochet. Row 4, color B, slip knot, standing center single crochet. The pattern repeats, starts with 1 back loop single crochet, 3 front loop double crochet. So this is our pattern repeat. Work these 4 stitches again and again till you reach the end of this row. After you completed all repeats, the last stitch will be back loop single crochet, and then the edge stitch, as always, enter single crochet. Row 5, color A, the last row of this design, standing center single crochet. The pattern repeats, starts with 1 front loop double crochet, 3 back loop single crochet. So this is our pattern repeat for this row. Work these 4 stitches again and again till you reach the end of this row. After you completed all repeats, the last stitch will be front loop double crochet, and our edge stitch, as always, center single crochet. And before we move to the next part, I want you to work separation section. So if you are working the same blanket like mine, you will work the separation section option 1, which is exactly like this one. And if you are working a smaller blanket and you want to choose separation section option 2, which is only 1 row of back loop single crochet, just like here, you can do that. Just 1 row of back loop single crochet.